Which approach is best suited to combat cross-site scripting attacks? Option A. Authentication. Option B. Positive validation of input. Option C. Principle of least privilege. Option D. Negative/blacklist validation of input image. The correct answer is option B. Drag-drop-click the task button. You are concerned about the threat of arbitrary code execution on your server. Which action should you take to address this? Option A. Install a firewall and create a demilitarized zone. Option B. Move the vulnerable server onto a VLAN segment. Option C. Enable data execution prevention in the host OS. Option D. Require digital signatures on all communications to and from the server. The correct answer is option C. Your company's new internet application has complex requirements for the restriction of web page access, and you know the site's current security requirements are subject to change. You have recommended to your Chief Technology Officer that the Java Authentication and Authorization Service (JAAS) should be used for security. Which 3 security features influenced your decision? Choose 3. Option A. Single sign-on support. Option B. A framework for SOA governance. Option C. Pluggable authentication modules. Option D. Secure internet connections using sockets. Option E. A framework for encryption, key generation, and key agreement. Option F. A flexible access control policy for user-based, group-based, and role-based authorization. The correct answer is option A, C, F. Security restrictions in a use case require that the behavior of an EJB business method vary according to the role of the user. How should this be achieved? Option A. The deployment descriptor is written using the roles determined by the programmer. Option B. The programmer determines a role reference and uses it in the code. This is mapped to a role in the deployment descriptor. Option C. The business method determines the role of the user using JNDI and configuration information in the deployment descriptor. Option D. The business method determines the role of the user using JS and configuration information in the deployment descriptor. The correct answer is option B.